Hey y'all! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I'm Patrice. Please be sure to look at the other content, and if you enjoy that content, please be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel. For my returning subscribers, welcome back y'all. So today's video is going to be about a Five Below haul that I did on my other channel, Teach Craft Live. And if you are not a subscriber on that channel yet, please head over there and check me out. I would love if you would join that channel as well if you enjoy the content. So I did a Five Below haul a few days ago, and I don't want to prolong testing these items out because the last haul that I did, I purchased that stuff at the beginning of January, and by the time I actually recorded the testing of those items, most of those items were sold out. So I don't want that to happen this time. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few things that I got. Of course, you guys know it's Easter time, and of course there's tons of Easter baskets at Five Below. Some of them can be subbed on. So this Easter basket, I believe, is 50% polyester and 50% cotton. So you can get a nice light sub on it, or you can just add vinyl on it if you want HTV. And you can personalize this Easter basket, but it's super cute. And this is cute too. So this one I think is, 100% polyester. Now the problem that I already see with this one is that it's round and there's wiring at the top. So that may be a slight problem as far as getting it under a heat press. But if you can maneuver it, you can sub on this portion of the basket. Next I have this gray, it's 100% polyester, but it's like a gray kind of short sleeve sweatshirt, and these come in with different patterns, and there's also shorts that go along with this. I did not get any shorts because they did not have the all gray shorts. They have the ones with the pattern. This shirt also came in pink, and they had some new gift bags, y'all. And this one, when I touch it, it's like the glitter is on here a lot better than the smaller bags. And this is a little bit larger than the other bags that they used to have. They no longer have those bags. They used to come like 3 in a pack or 5 in a pack for $3 or something like that. This was $1.50. Okay. And they also had this cute gift bag. And why I got this gift bag is that the front part right here, this is glitter. And so I can maybe put a name on there and personalize this bag for someone. The one thing that I can't wait to try is this book bag. This book bag I think is 100% polyester. It's 100% polyester. So I want to try this bag out and see how it goes. I think that I will have to be very, very careful because there's a lot of creases on this bag, but I'm sure there's a way. So I want to try this bag out and see how this little book bag goes. Alright, I did buy something else, but I could possibly do something cute like personalize this giant checker set. I'll see what I can do with it. Alright guys, so that's it. I do have another Five Below haul coming soon because I ordered some stuff from off of fivebelow.com. I just have not gotten to it, but I'm about to get to this stuff because if this sub's great, then you guys will be able to go and pick this stuff up now. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so now we're at the heat press, and I am going to first I'm going to laminate this checker piece, and I have decided to kind of do a little branding with my logo on top. So if you have customers who may be interested in something like this, or you yourself may be interested in something like this, these checker pieces are wood. So of course, the only way that we can sub on it is by either doing the laminate, because it's not pre-treated for sublimation, is by doing the laminate, or if you want to do a little polyacrylic, you can. So I am just going to place this laminate on top, and I will press it for about 5 seconds. Pressing this at 335 degrees, I'm just actually waiting for the heat press to warm up a little bit more, but that did the job. Alright guys, so I am getting ready to press this. I am using my ink, dynamic ink, and you can find that inside of my Etsy shop, where I printed this on, honestly speaking, sublimation paper. If you are interested, the link will be below in the description. And I actually plan on subbing onto all of the white checker pieces. There's 12 that comes with the game, and there's also 12 black pieces that come with the game if you want to put vinyl on the black. Alright guys, and I subbed this for 35 seconds at 365 degrees, and look at those colors. It looks really, really nice. So I'm going to do the remaining 11 like this. Alright, next guys, I have that gift bag where I'm just going to sub here, and I'm going to personalize it. It will be my goddaughter's birthday in April, and I will go ahead and make a gift bag for her gifts. And I am going to take this down just a little so that I don't shift it. Alright, I'm going to put it this way. I don't really want the ribbon to go under the press. And I am going to press this for 35 seconds. Alright, let's see how this made out. And this one is actually, it's a little sticky, so I think the best thing would be, if we are going to press it, like if you do want to personalize it, would probably be to just personalize the middle with like a easy press or the mini press, because the actual bag is, the material is not made for this heat. However, this is what that middle part looks like. Still came out cute, but I would definitely make sure I wouldn't put it under the heat press. Alright, so next up we have the larger of the bags, and this one is all glitter. Well, the front part is all glitter, and what you may want to do is you may want to put a piece of butcher paper inside of the bag to prevent it from sticking. And then what I already did was I took the string or the handle, the rope from the top, and I am going to place our image on top of there. And honestly, like, I'm looking at this material in the back, usually it's a little more paper based. This seems a little more has like a more plastic feel to it, so we will definitely see how this goes. Alright guys, so let's see how this turned out. And it actually turned out very nice, looks like. Okay, so I'm going to let this cool off a bit, but it came out very nice. Alright guys, so next we are going to sub on this gray sweatshirt. It's kind of dark, so this is really me testing out the colors and seeing what colors will take. So I printed an image that has a little bit of black. I changed the colors to parts of it to be blue and some other colors. I just want to see if it prints well. Okay, this was a free image that I got off of Design Bundles. So I'm going to check this out. I did take the tag off because there's a plastic part. And I am going to press this for 370 degrees for 35 seconds. And we're just going to see how this came out. I am going to lift it up And to be honest, guys, it actually came out good. I probably could have kept pressing it for a little bit longer because there was more ink left, but look on this gray shirt. I can even see the yellow. Not sure if you guys can see the yellow. I have like a little yellow dot here that I wanted to see how that would look. And it actually came out nice. I'm impressed. Okay, so we have the next shirt that we're going to do, and this is the shirt. It's a pink shirt, the same type of shirt. This is the image, and I kind of got another, I wanted to see how this pink would look on top of the lighter pink, and of course black, and we have a little bit of blue. So the way that the gray shirt came out, I'm very hopeful with the way that this pink shirt will come out. Not worried about it at all. And this image, I'm not going to print it a second time, but when I printed it, my P cut off and I did borderless printing, but I think it expanded a little bit too much, which is fine. All right, let's see how this one came out. Oh, this color took really, really, really nicely. Oh, I had color at the edges. That's why, y'all, it's important. Sometimes you can't see if you have color here before pressing. So it's always good to trim those edges, especially since I was doing borderless printing. But guess what? It's okay. This shirt isn't for anyone. It's really just for me to test it out. And it actually came out super, super cute. So now I'm going to be subbing the baskets, and I will be using the Cricut Easy Press because I don't think that these baskets are made to sustain the heat from the heat press or that type of pressure. So we will see how this goes. Alright, so it's done pressing, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, the ink did take, not too much because this is 50% cotton and 50% polyester. Y'all, pressing this next basket was a whole hot mess. I used the Cricut as a base to be able to sub because it was a round basket, and this was just a disaster from start to finish. Okay, so, but this is how I did it, and I just wanted to show you all that. It did sub, however, there's something inside of the basket that melts and kind of distorts the shape of the basket a little bit. Now we're going to get ready to press the bag. I'm using this image I used from another project, and I'm just going to make sure that it is secure, and I'm going to tape it down. I'm going to cover the entire bag with butcher paper. And also, guys, you may want to put something in the inside if you're going to try to do this particular bag, because the inside is a plastic type of material and it will melt under this heat. So the pocket where we're subbing on does not have that plastic lining, but the inside of the bag does. Alright guys, so we're done pressing the bag, and honestly there is hope for this bag. However, with pressing the bag, I did not apply enough pressure, and I probably should have prepped it a little bit more to make sure that the image was in good contact with the bag. Also, make sure you protect that inside, maybe with a Teflon sheet. I would probably use the mini press to press any images or personalization on this bag, because the inside will melt on you. Alright y'all, so we're all done subbing the items that I got from Five Below the other day, and honestly I'm only happy with a few of the items. Some of the material required extra prepping, and yeah. So our gift bags actually sub pretty well. The only problem is the material. It does not, it melts. I am going to try another one of these bags just to see if we can have some success with it. And this bag, I really wish it would have came out how I wanted it to, because it is so cute. The glitter takes really nicely, and this glitter does not shed. So I really wish that this would have came out better. Well, it came out nice. It subbed really well. The only problem is that it kind of stuck together in the back. Alright, so the book bag. The problem with the book bag also is the material. So the outside can be subbed on, but that inside is more so like a plastic. So it's like a plastic lining in the inside. So I was able to sub on here, and as you guys saw, I subbed with the Easy Press, so the pressure wasn't as it should, but this is how it came out. So it can be subbed, it just depends on what you're trying to put on it. Alright, so this basket actually did pretty well with subbing the name on it. Okay, so this one I did sub with the Easy Press, but it's like something inside. It's something inside of the actual basket that I think it does not withstand the heat. The same thing for this one. It's subbed, but there's something inside. There's a plastic inside of here too that did not allow this to. It's subbed, but it kind of distorted the basket. So I would not recommend any heat, to put any heat on this one. This one can do a little, you can do something on this one, but it's 50-50. So the color will not be as vibrant as we would want it. I love the checkers pieces, and I'm going to sub all of the checker pieces like this with the Craftable Things logo, and I'm happy about that. The shirts that we have now, this gray shirt, it actually came out pretty good. It came out way better than I even expected it to come out, because it's not a light gray shirt, but those colors look really nice. And then we have the pink shirt, and the pink shirt also subbed really well, and I am happy with this shirt. So out of everything that we tried today, I'm only super thrilled about these two items. So these are still in the store. That's why I wanted to hurry up and get this video out. I did not want to wait too long. These are still in the store. I just got these a few days ago. Alright guys, so that's it for today. We had some wins and we had some losses. So I'm super excited about these. I think I'm going to go get a few more of these and see if they also have the shorts that go along with them. I can put something cute on that. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like it. And if you are not a subscriber already, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also, please join me on Teach Craft Live. I actually had the shopping haul video on there when I went and I found this stuff. I would love to have you all there. I talk about teaching, I talk about crafting, I talk about life. So please consider going there. In addition, make sure to check us out on Facebook, Craftable Things. We are a community of crafters who love showcasing our work and helping each other. So please make sure you join us there. And that's it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.